class? Hope all are safe and fine at home. Yes, let's continue with our class. Yes, in the previous class you have studied children S, N, P, T. Today's class you are going to learn A. Okay? S, N, P, T, I. Okay? You are going to learn today A. Shall we color this? We'll make beautiful this red color also. Okay? Yes. Start from the upper part. Color like this, children. Okay? Hope all are enjoying by coloring. Okay? See here. Now, this letter A also is looking very colorful. Okay? So, let's continue coloring like this. Now, see here. This letter A is also looking very colorful. So, you have learned, children, S, N, P, T, A. S, N, P, T, A. Okay? All these letters. So, does it looks colorful? Yes. We'll move on. Okay? We'll know more words about the letter A. Okay? A. Axe. What do you mean by axe, children? Yes, this axe which is used to cut the wood. Okay? Or a tree. Okay? See, this part will be a wooden one and this is a iron. It will be very sharp here. Okay? The front part. So, this is a axe. This is ant. You know what is ant, right? Yes. This is a apron. Apron means the doctors will use this even for cooking, or your mamas will be doing some work. The chef will use. Okay. This is a apron. This is a ankle. This part is called ankle, children. That is a joint which is connecting the foot with the leg. Okay. This is a apple. Apple is a fruit which is in red color. Okay. And it's a seasonal fruit. Okay. Even it will be in a green color also. The green apple. This is acorn. Acorn means this is also a fruit, children. Acorn is a fruit which we get from the oak tree. Okay. Which we get from the oak tree. Okay. And there it's a, it will be, the inside will be like a oval, a smooth oval nut. Okay. There will be a nut inside this. This is a fruit. This is alligator. Alligator means that is a crocodile. Okay. It will be in the water and also in the land. Okay. It's very dangerous. It's a animal. And this is antelope. What do you mean by this? This is similar like a deer, children. Okay. It's like a deer, but it's not a deer. It's like a deer. Okay. It will have a smooth hair here. You can see some hairs here. Okay. And what is this? Horns. The horns. It will be very sharp. These are the horns. Okay. Yes. Now we'll move on to writing part. Yes. Let's see how do we write the letter A, children. See here. One slant line. One more slant line to this side and a sleeping line. This is A. See here. One slant line. One more slant line to the other side and a sleeping line. This is the letter A, big letter A. You can trace with the pencil or with the crayons, children. See here, like this to the other side and a sleeping line. See here, one slant line, one more slant line to the other side and a sleeping line. This is the letter A. Next we see how do we write the cursive letter. A says A. See here, little bit slant children, like a half curve like this. Come down, go up, again come down and a small tail. This is letter A. A says A. See here, go up, come down, again go up, touch there, come down with the same line and a small loop like this or a tail. Okay, come on, trace here. See here, from the down, go up, come back, again go up, come down and a tail. Okay, from the down, go up, come down, again go up, come down and a tail. This is A says A. Next, here you are going to write the capital letter A, children. See here, from the third line, go to the upper red line. From there, again come to the down line and a sleeping line. This is letter A, capital letter A. See here, one slant line, come down, okay, A. See here, this is the letter A. Okay, here also parents, please put the dots and give them so that they can trace on that. Okay, here put two dots. Okay, put two dots and give them. Okay, the next page, see here, A, A, A and A. Next we'll continue with the small letter. Okay, see here children, small letter you will write only with this two lines, second and third line children. See here, little bit slant, go up, come down, again go up, come down and a tail. This is letter A, that is A. See here, go up, come down, again go up and a tail. See here children, like this, from down, go up, come down with the same line and go up, come down and a tail. Here also parents kindly help your kids put the dotted lines so that they will get a practice. Yes, here two dots children, like this, and here again go up, come down, again go up and a tail. See here, go up, come down, again go up and a tail, go up, come down and a tail. So here A. Okay, next children, you are going to practice what you have studied all these days. That is, yes, S says N says N, P says P, T says T, A says A. Okay, you are going to learn all this children. Thank you.